We'll guide you through how to recover files missing from Google Drive. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to drive.google.com. Make sure you are logged into the correct Google account, where your files were originally stored. Once you are in Google Drive, check the trash folder first. You can find this in the left-hand menu. Sometimes files accidentally get deleted and end up here. If you see the missing files in trash, right-click on each file and select Restore to return them to their original location. If the files are not in trash, go back to the main Google Drive interface. Click on the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Then, go to Manage Apps in the left-hand menu. Here, you can check if any third-party apps have access to your drive, as they might have moved or deleted files. If everything seems fine there, you can try the Activity panel. Click on the I button in the top right corner of the Google Drive page to open the Activity panel. This shows a timeline of all actions taken in your drive, including deletions and movements of files. If you see that a file has been moved, click on the activity entry to see the new location. If you still can't find your files, try using the search bar at the top of Google Drive. Type in a keyword or phrase that you remember from the missing file. Google Drive's search is quite powerful and may locate files with just a few keywords. As a last resort, you can contact Google Drive support for assistance. They might be able to help you recover files that were accidentally deleted or lost due to a system error. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.